Hey everyone, this is Paul Krause. And this is the 1947 Whizzer Model H that my dad originally bought in 1947 in Hays, Kansas. And kind of give you a little walk around with it. Came on a purpose-built Schwinn modified frame to allow for the drive belt to clear the frame and the fender. Has a Arnold Schwinn drum brake on the front. And you'll see that on the handlebar here we have a clutch that releases that drive belt. Over on the right hand side you got this kind of tricky system where you've got a compression release and a throttle, and then the brake lever for the front brake. If that's not enough, it also has a Bendix coaster brake on the back, and between the front and the back it does get slowed down. You'll see that has the Schwinn frame, came with the locking front fork, and it's a Liberty badged Chicago Cycle Supply frame. Come around to the side here, and you'll see that it's just the motor is mounted in three places, three contacts. So up on front on this kind of springer arm, and then rigidly mounted on the seat tube with the top and bottom. And you'll see there's like a little rubber that protects the frame somewhat. And yeah, it's a 4-stroke engine with a lot of get up and go. The drop stand on the back is kind of fun, and it sets up nice, but it's not the most stable. So usually I have a front wheel stand to keep it upright. Then on the back you'll see the original license tag that we have matching paperwork for. It's kind of neat too. It doesn't happen all the time.